Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a property in Hollow Street in Chislet. Now, of course, you can already see location on this one is everything. It's a beautiful location. Chislet is very close to Howth and Maypole, and is also equal distance from Canterbury as it is from Herne Bay. And this property, of course, as you can see, is a 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. You've got plenty of parking at the front, which is fantastic. And now that we're inside, we can take a good look at the living accommodation that the property offers. Now, for me, I really like this property. You've got an abundance of ground floor living space. You can already see this nice conservatory area that you have overlooking the rear garden, which is beautiful. And you've got this really nice, cozy lounge space. You've got that lovely open fire that you can use, and it is just absolutely wonderful. You've got a really nice sized kitchen here, and you've of course got all of the integrated fixtures here. And just to the right, you've also got a really interesting utility space. So, of course, having a good look at the kitchen here, the front window, of course, overlooks the driveway and the surrounding countryside area. And you can, of course, see that you've got the conservatory and the lounge space both overlooking the garden, which is, again, just an absolutely beautiful space. So the bathroom is located on the ground floor with this property, as we're taking a look at now. You can have a good look to see it, and of course it's nice and modern in here, no work to do whatsoever. A nice modern clean finish in this ground floor bathroom here, so that is ready to go. So now that we're upstairs, we're taking a look here at the 3 bedrooms that we've got, and of course you've got the 2 bedrooms at the back, of course overlooking the lovely countryside views, and the views are really wonderful. That bedroom there, of course, is bedroom number 3, and we'll go through and take a look at bedroom number 2 now. As you can see, it's easily a double size, this bedroom. Really nice space. Again, that lovely big window there overlooking the countryside views and the rear garden. It's just absolutely wonderful here. Location wise as well, you've got some really great country pubs nearby. You've got the Prince of Wales in Howth and the Gate Inn as well, only just around the corner. And schools wise, you've got Howth Primary School and Chislet Primary School, both fantastic local primary schools, which are only a few moments away. And of course the Chislet one is literally at the end of the road. It's a great location. And just taking a look here at bedroom number 1, easily a double size room with the built-in wardrobe cupboards as well. So now we're taking a look at the rear garden, and you can see it's a lovely enclosed space. Bonus as well, you've got that brick built shed there as well, so you've got plenty of storage space here. Really wonderful space. And the back garden has been adapted really well to integrate nice alfresco dining areas. It's a lovely space that you can enjoy all year round, but especially in those summer months, in the late afternoon when the sun's coming down, you'll be out here enjoying time with friends and family. It's just a wonderful location. Lovely garden space that's been created here. So we're just going to recap on a few things now. It's a 3-bedroom semi-detached family home, extensive off-road parking to the front, beautiful location. Everything here is on your doorstep. I'd certainly ask that you give us a call so that you can find out a bit more information on this wonderful 3-bedroom semi-detached family home.